Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. You are watching my YouTube channel that's Radif. Thanks for visit my YouTube channel. Beautiful view of fields. Amazing view. Online business is the most important role in the development of any country because it is business without an investment. Those who people join online business without investment come to my channel for these activities. I will tell you all about online business. Online business is the most powerful weapon against poverty. Keep watching. Keep watching my videos about online business. Thanks friends watching my videos.